Hey there guys, I'm buzzing with excitement to welcome you to today's video. Seriously, this one's close to my heart because we are diving into the magical world of turning my new house into a cozy heaven. Imagine you are sipping hot cocoa with a friend because, well, that's exactly the vibe I want to share with you. So, you might be wondering, why am I chatting with you about decorating? Well, here is the scoop. It is my first house, and the whole process is like putting together a giant jigsaw puzzle of comfort and style. Now, I am not some interior design guru. I am just a regular person figuring out how to make my space feel like a warm hug. And guess what? You are right here beside me on this journey. We are about to dive into the nitty gritty of picking colors, arranging furniture, and maybe a bit of dye magic. Alright, first stop, the living room, the heart of the house. I walk into the space with dreams of movie night, cozy blankets, and just chillin'. So, step one, the thought about colors. You know, the kind that says, hey, come in, relax, and stay a while. After some serious contemplations, I went with this soothing shade of blue that felt like a big comforting hug. Now furniture. That was a puzzle. I mean, I want a couch that is not just a couch, it is a nap haven, a movie marathon. Found this gem that ticked all the boxes. Oh, and let's not forget the coffee table. A spot for snacks, board games, and of course, endless cup of coffees and forks. That is the vibe. We are sitting in the living room. It is like creating a hangout space where every corner screams, welcome home, friends. Stay tuned because we are just getting started on this decorating adventure. Now, the cool part was finding budget friendly way to add personality. I spiced things up with some dye projects. Think handmade pot holders and cute little label for jars. Sharing these ideas with you because let's be real, not everyone's rolling in dough, and we all want a kitchen that is both insta worthy and wallet friendly. So, what is your go to the kitchen decor trick? I am all ears for some shared kitchen's wisdom. Now, as we dive into the nitty gritty of turning my new place into a cozy haven, let's talk about the bumps on the decor road. One diggy was figured out how to make a small space feel spacious. I sketched my head over this one, but ending up arranging furniture in the way that opened up the room. It is like a puzzle, you know. And other head scratchers was the budget. I had to be mindful of every dim spend. Found myself scoring thrift stores and doing some creative dye magic. Then there was the what color of paint. It is wild how a simple thing like paint can stump you. Went with neutral tones, safe bet right. But it was not all sunshine. Had a moment of panic, wondering if it was too plain. The fix: toast in colorful true pillows and wall art. Problem solved. The journey was not a breeze, but finding solution made it all worthwhile. Share your own decor challenges and how you tackle them in the comment below. Let's swap stories. Alright, let's dive into some wallet friendly tricks to jazz up your space without burning a hole. First off, scouting for treasures in thrift shops or hitting up budget friendly stores can be a game changer. You had be amazed at the gems you can snag without emptying your pocket. Die project are another ace up your sleeves. A bit of creativity and some elbow grease can turn ordinary stuff into eye-catching decor. Now when it comes to furniture, don't break the bank. You can find solid Second hand pieces that just need a little love. Repainting or giving them a fresh touch can do wonders. Also, keep an eye out for discount and sales. Timing can be your ally. Oh, and plants. They are like natural decor on the budget. They not only add a burst of color but also freshen up the air. So spruce up your place without the financial stress. And a savvy decor can make magic happen without making the piggy bank squeal. So that is my first house decorating journey. We covered the living room, kitchen, and bedroom, chatting about colors, furnitures, and personal vibes. I face a new challenges, but we found solution together. Don't forget the budget-friendly tips. Decorating doesn't have to break bank. It has been a blast sharing with this to you. Now it is your turn. Share your thoughts